Meaning of dolphinarium.
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 Dolphinarium. A dolphinarium is a type of aquarium or marine park that specializes in the care, training, and performance of dolphins and other marine mammals. These facilities typically feature large tanks or pools where visitors can watch the intelligent and acrobatic animals swim, jump, and perform tricks. While some people enjoy watching dolphins in captivity, others have raised concerns about the ethics of keeping these highly intelligent creatures in such an environment. Some countries have banned or restricted the operation of dolphinariums due to animal welfare concerns.